Hello students, welcome back to my channel The Whiteboard Tutor. I am going to be your virtual tutor from now on, and being a teacher, it's my responsibility to make you understand every concept clearly and make you ace your exams. So coming to maths, I know it's very intimidating for some of the students, especially those of grade 8, when you face several difficult topics like algebra and fractions, and they turn more complicated like day by day. So don't you worry, it is difficult, it is the scariest monster you would ever face, but teaching and studying with me, it's going to be a piece of cake for you. Coming to the hardest topic, the biggest, scariest and most dangerous monster for all of you, algebra. So algebra might be difficult for you, might be very challenging and might be as a setback for you. But don't you worry, I'll be teaching you maths and algebra in a way that will be very much easy for you. It's going to be on your fingertips. So first of all, I know you have learned about the basics and all in grade 6 and 7. 6, 7. So let's not focus more on that, and without a further delay, just start our work. So we are doing expressions today. You know what's expression? Comment down below about what is an expression. I won't tell you the definition. You have to tell me the definition. So expression, let's start with these 3 expressions. These are the 3 questions that we will going to be attempting today. So let's make this lesson a little bit of easier because it's a trial class. It's the first day. We'll move on to complicated questions the next day, be it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. God knows. Okay, so this question here says 4x plus 3x. Let's change the color to blue. Okay, so 4x plus 3x. The operation that we are going to do is of addition. Okay, we have to add the expression. But how? We will add the coefficient together, but not the variables. Why? Because variables are not added or subtracted. Only the coefficients play a major role in any operation. So we will add these. 4 plus 3 is 7, and x will remain the same with this. So the answer is 7x. We don't add or subtract the variable. Just remember, we might multiply and might divide. We'll know about this in the next class. But in this lesson, just keep that in mind and mark my words that we don't add or subtract variables. We only ponder upon the coefficients. Ponder means to focus more, to think about it, to, analyze it. So we'll only focus on the coefficient, the numbers, be it a constant term or a constant digit or a coefficient digit, but we'll only add or subtract these. So we'll simply add 4 plus 3 is 7, and x is going to be as it is. We'll just put x in the answer along with the constant or coefficient digit. Okay, so this is very, very simple, completely basic, the easiest question according to me in my book. So let's move on to the next question. 6m minus 2m. Here we are going to subtract. Ignore my writing. I know some of you must be laughing at this writing, but it's okay. Okay, so 6m minus 2m. Here, what are we doing? We are doing subtraction. We will subtract only coefficient with the coefficient. 6 minus 2 is 4. And we'll put this m alongside it. So the answer is 4m. Now we are going to move to the most complicated question for this specific topic. Okay, let me just erase it. Wait, I'll write this again. It's getting very hard for me because there's very less space. Okay. So I'll just write the answer here. 6 minus 4. Sorry, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 4m. Okay, I'll just erase this additional thing as well. Okay, so now we have 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. 9a minus 4 plus 2a. So have you noticed that we are going to do 2 operations, plus and minus here. So first we will solve these two because these are like terms. See, they have the same variable, they have the same power. So we will not touch this for now. We'll keep 4 aside because it's a constant value. It will not change just like the variables, okay? So let's check these both here. 9a. There is, see, if you notice, there is a plus sign with 2. Plus sign is with 2. Minus sign is with 4. And here there's no sign, means there's plus. So whenever there is no sign in front of any number, it's automatically understandable that there will be plus. Always plus. Coming back to the question, there's 9a and plus 2a. 4 has no variable, so it's a totally different digit. We don't apply any operation here. We'll only look at the like terms. 9a plus 2a is 11a. Now we'll keep 4 here. We'll bring down 4 along with this answer. And it's the answer. 11a minus 4. See, these both are completely different digits. Completely different. Wait, let me clean this up for you. 11a has a variable and a coefficient, minus sign, and 4 is a constant. So these cannot be further simplified or further solved. That is the answer for all these 3 equations. These both are quite similar, but this is a different one because it contains a constant as well. A constant value that is not going to be changed. If, just in case there's 9a plus 2a minus 6, no sorry, plus 6 plus 1. Then we will do 9 plus 2, 11a plus and plus is going to be plus. Okay, I'll tell you about these as well. So 9a plus 2a plus 6 plus 1. So 11a, we'll add this plus 7. This is still the answer. We won't do anything to these numbers. So let me tell you the rules. Yeah. Plus and plus is going to be plus. Plus and minus is going to be minus. Minus and plus is going to be again minus. And minus is going to be plus. So just look at these. Just focus on these. We can understand this by saying that friend is a friend. Okay, wait. Wait. We can do this like this. A friend's friend is a friend. A friend's enemy is our enemy. Our enemy's friend. Okay? I'm repeating. Our enemy's friend is still our enemy. But our enemy's enemy is a friend. That's simple as that. Don't think about it too much, okay? So this is our lesson. I hope you liked my class. That's a big exclamation. Okay, so at the end, I'll always give you question of the day, which is going to be this. You have to answer this question in my comment section below, and then you have to rate me as well out of 10. Okay? You have to do both of these things in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Keep these things in mind and keep waiting for my other video, which is going to be so educational for you and so much beneficial as well. So take care, kids, students. Bye.